Hi guys, so today I'm doing like a review slash mukbang. So I just ordered Kfc just now, right? I ordered obviously it came with this breakfast brekkie, that's what they call it. So let me check if everything is correct. Well, you know, with this shop sometimes they pick the wrong things, but I don't blame them because, like, yeah, it's hectic. So if you watched my previous video, you'd know that I had a problem with my tooth, so I haven't been eating properly. So this is kind of a revenge eating something. I don't know what you guys want to call it, because you have been suffering. So now I want to enjoy this because I'm a bit better today. Like, I'm better, I don't feel any pain. So yeah, so this is the brekkie crunch. That's the cheese. That's how it looks. Ooh. So this is what I got. It came with this. I also got this yeah, colonel burger. You see. Yummy, yum yum, yum yum, yum yum yum. And I got this streetwear stew. Got this. I got this. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yeah, stew. So this is what I got. So yeah, let's indulge because I've been suffering. So this is a revenge kind of thing, because wow, how dare can I suffer like that? Let me taste this. Oh, but let me quickly take a picture for my thumbnail. Let me take a picture for my thumbnail, then I'll come back just now. So yeah guys, I'm back. So let me taste this. Guys, the crunch. Oh, they didn't give me a straw, so I'm just gonna drink. This is actually nice. Every time I go to KFC, I always say they must exchange this for a cold drink, like that Coke Zero. But I didn't know this was so nice, guys. This is really nice. This is really nice. No more. No more. Ooh. One thing about food, it gives you that love. Like, yo, this is so nice. Yo. That is so nice. When I tell you that I missed eating like a normal person, oh, you guys won't believe me. Oh, like on Sunday, my brother cooked lamb shank, right? I suffered. Yo, he made lamb shank and mashed potato. I suffered. Like literally, I suffered throughout because it was so nice. Like he slow cooked it nicely, like it was really nice, fell off the bone, but I suffered when I ate that. Yeah? Yo, I ate in bits and bits. I'm like, no guys, no, I can't suffer like this. So when I went to remove my teeth, you guys will see it. I don't know which one I'm gonna post first, this one or the vlog where I went to the dentist, but yeah, whichever one you'll see how suffering, how, what is it, suffering, or how much I suffered. Yeah, that's the correct wording. That's the correct wording. Wording, not a wedding, wording. Well, this is so nice, guys. It feels good to eat like a normal person. Like, oh, one thing about food. This is delish. This is delicious, guys. KFC did the work. So, let's try out this one. It looks so nice, guys. Look. Ooh, the sauce. Guys, I'm a foodie. I love food, guys. Even though I go to the gym, guys, I've got my days where I just wanna be wild. Like every month. So let me give you a story time. Excuse me. So every month when I get my allowance, I make sure that the day I get my allowance or a day after, whenever, depends how busy will I be. All right. I make sure that day, whatever I do, I go and feed my cravings. Like, look here, I don't mind going to a restaurant or buying takeaways or ordering, right? Whichever one. What I will do is that I'll make sure that I order like something that I'm craving for, and I will enjoy it. Like, yo, one thing about me. So that's what I do every time I get my allowance. I make sure whatever I'm craving that particular day, I order it or I fetch it there by the restaurant, and I come back and I indulge in it. It makes me happy. I love food, guys, but I don't eat like this every day. No, there are days where I keep it clean. Some days I don't really have appetite, I wouldn't eat. Some days I'll eat once a day. But yeah, but currently I'm busy with my exams, so I hardly eat. Like, I hardly stomach anything. But yeah, guys, if I show you the amount of work that I need to go through, or that I'm currently going through right now, it's hectic. Like, it's hectic. Look at this piles that I need to read for my exam. Oh, these are notes. Oh, suffering, kesana. So this makes me feel better. Let's see. Let's taste this. And one thing about KFC, their prices went up, guys. This is like 53 rand, if I'm still correct. And it was like 45 rand. Oh, abadlali KFC kelala. Look at this once more. Okay, let's indulge. Mm. 8. Left no crumbs. This is delish. Cooked to perfection, darling. This is amazing. Guys, this is amazing. Oh. Mm. Mm. This is nice. I'm enjoying this food. No, KFC did the things. Yeah. This is so nice. I have no regrets now. I feel so much better. Oh, so much better. I'm replacing those days that I couldn't eat or I couldn't stomach a lot of things or I couldn't enjoy my food. This is the best revenge. Best. There was no better way to do it. This is absolutely amazing. I enjoyed every minute, every second of everything. I don't eat that much, guys, so I'm already full. So I just ate bit. I'm already full. So let me get back to my books. So yeah, for everyone who have watched till this far, guys, thank you so much. To those who are returning to watch, my subscribers, guys, I love you so much. To my new subscribers, guys, welcome to the family. Guys, I love you so much. I hope you guys will enjoy it here. And to the people who haven't subscribed but are coming back to come watch, guys, please do the right thing and watch my channel and help a girl grow her channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed my revenge mukbang. So yeah, this was amazing. KFC, shout out. Till the next video. Love you guys. So guys, this is what it's left. So I'll eat it. I'll eat this throughout the day. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Then don't forget to subscribe.